Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Eunice, commonly known as Eunice, and it's another episode of my videos. So today, as you know, the schools are closed. I've just been indoors. So today I decided to take a walk around my beautiful village. As you can see, I'm just on the road, across the road. I'm just on the road. Yeah, I'm doing this intro on the road. And before we continue, please consider subscribing. It's so sunny. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share. And we are with somebody here. Who are you?
I'm fine.
Say I'm Ella. Look at her. Say I'm Ella. Who are you?
Fine.
Who are you? I'm fine. I'm asking who she is. She's saying she's fine. Who are you? You are Ella. Sawa. So, and we are also on TikTok. Please go there and follow me. TikTok at Teacher Eunice Kenya. We are also on Instagram, though not very active. On Instagram we are Teacher Eunice Kenya. Also, please go there, like, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So I'm giving you a small tour of my village, and please don't watch before you subscribe, you like, and also share the video. You were smart. You are smart. These are beautiful trees. Hey. Unataka nikuchukue? Usinichukue.
Ndugu yangu jambo. Jambo. Kanisa ama? Wewe ndio unapenda kanisa. 7 day. Mimi naenda kwa practice. Sawa.
So here we are. I'm with. We are just walking with no common mission, just around the village. Yes, and she seems so happy. She has gone. So I don't know. You know, we like to be so as teachers, especially the preschool teachers. We are always active and always jumpy. Now, when it comes to time of just sitting at home, we are so bored, very bored. Whoa, let me show you. And these are maize. We are almost end of this month. Our maize will be ready. This is a beautiful village. Vitu yangu inatoka. Vitu yangu. Kuja. Kita kubanga. Kuja. Nzuri. Jambo. Mana watoto. So here we are. We are walking around the village, having a good time. The schools are closed. Yeah. Kombe ya nini? You're still on the village. Just walking around the village. And it's not easy, by the way. It's not easy to be on YouTube, especially with my content za kufundisha watoto. Sasa sai shule imefungwa. I don't have them, so I need to maneuver in and out to get some content. And the wind, the trees are swaying, and it's now very cool. Very cool. See there behind us. Fanya nini kwa kina Lopez? Fanya umwa kwa kina Lopez. Tutafanya nyumba. Yeah, this is our village M-Pesa. This one. Also, we have a lot of trees. A lot. You see, this is a rich village. These trees, you see the way they're tall, and they're like occupying like an acre of the shamba, even more than an acre. This is still in my village, just near where I stay. And this side of the village, this is the road. Let's cross the road. I show you the other side. Very green and beautiful. On the other side, we have our village shop here. Yes, a small village shop. Yeah, we are still in my village. Now the iron sheets that you are seeing here, there was a very nice perimeter wall, and now that the government is demolishing everything, the perimeter wall was demolished, and now the owner made the fence using iron sheets. In fact, neat iron sheets. Watu ndo waliharibu. Let's go. Waliharibu. Tinga likuje karibu fence. Simama tinga. Tinga. Even this church had a nice perimeter wall, and now it was demolished. I don't know if it's Kanaha or Ruku, but it was a really big tractor demolishing everything, even houses, even trees, even living, no nothing. Wow. This is still a tour of my village. It's a very big village. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, we are back on the, what is this? It's not Samak Road, it's Maram. Yeah, back to our village. What is it, Ella? What is it? Nini? This is my daughter doing fashion show, doing what she loved doing the most, not minding if this is a road, many people are watching. Confident, just like the mother. See the moves? Wow, I like it. Go baby, go. Let me show you her face. This is going to be a model someday. The African beauty. Wow, love you baby. Wow. And the smile. It seems like the sun entered the soil. Okay, now let's go. This is just us coming back from the walk in the village, and my daughter seems very tired, so we are just walking slowly and somehow also hurrying back home so that I can give her something to bite, and also so that we can run away from the rain that was really coming. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love. And if you are watching and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Love you. Bye bye.